welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are talking about some ways that you can get rid of ants in your home. We're really focused on some of the more natural, non-toxic methods of getting rid of those ant infestations. So when we have ants in the house, you see those ant trails. That trail is actually a communication to the other ants from the colony of telling them where that food is going to be. So they're leaving pheromones behind, and that's the way the ants communicate to say, hey, food is this way, next exit, go along your trail, go up to this cabinet, make a left, there's an awesome batch of food up there. So we want to get rid of that trail by cleaning up those pheromones, and the way to do that is with soap and water, and we also use vinegar, okay? I actually prefer vinegar. This is what we use in our house. The vinegar solution, or even the soap solution for that matter, will break down those trails and break down those pheromones so the ants don't exactly know where that food is. So that's one way of attacking those residential ant infestations. The next strategy is using diatomaceous earth. Now, diatomaceous earth to humans and pets is non-toxic, but it kills ants. So it actually attaches to the ants' exoskeleton, and it dehydrates them and paralyzes them and gets rid of them, so you get rid of the infestation. The diatomaceous earth can be spread along cracks where you see ant activity. There could be a baseboard or a threshold. Now we're going to talk about bait traps. A popular line of bait traps is this Terro product. They contain a sweet borax-based formula that's harmless to pets and humans. Now the strategy here is for the ants to find the bait traps, find the formula, take the formula back to the colony, and decimate the colony. So these traps are very easy to use. You will actually see more ant activity for a few days after you put the traps out because the ants have found another food source. But after a few days, you should see less ant activity. This is a very inexpensive and easy way. So we've given you 3 ways to battle a residential ant infestation. We've talked about using dish soap and vinegar to clean up those ant trails. We've talked about using diatomaceous earth, and we've also given you an option to use bait stations. These methods are non-toxic, completely harmless to pets and humans, and they will work on most of your residential ant infestations. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.